Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole, Marie, and Gary. Today, you guys, I'm going to be making some kabobs. Making some beef skewers, kebab skewers, whichever you'd like to call them. So right here, I have a chuck mock tender roast. I'm going to be cutting up that in cubes and marinating it. And I'm going to use thyme, JD salsa seasoning that I also use for it's a multi-purpose seasoning. Black pepper, paprika, garlic, onion powder, organic basil. We have some liquid smoke back there. We got Anthony's rosemary. We got Worcestershire, and we also got a little bit of Johnny's. You know, a little bit goes a long ways with everything. Then I got some sweet Vidalia onion. I got orange pepper. It's kind of still green, but that's all right. And then I have the red pepper. First, I'm going to cut up my veggies, so let's get started. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dice these up. I'm going to leave them quite fairly big, you guys, and thick, because you want it to be able to get through the skewer, right? So it'll slip through the skewer. And I think 2 of these should be well enough. I do have one more. I'm just gonna cut up as many as I need. Got a little root there. Try to break her up. Try to break her up. And I got a little bowl that I'm going to put these guys into. Whoops. That's okay. That'll be fine. But like so. I'm going to finish up the rest. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up the peppers. Got a little baby pepper. We'll use her. We'll use her. And I just go in here and I cut off the rib. And do it relatively. You want your I'm gonna cut the vegetables about the size of the meat. If you happen to, you know, accidentally have a few seeds, it ain't gonna hurt you. She ain't gonna hurt you. Alright, I'm going to finish up this pepper, and I'm going to get the red pepper. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to go ahead and cut up this meat, and it's morning hour, so I'm going to cut it up. We're going to get a seasoning. We're going to get it marinating, and about 30 to 40 minutes before I decide to, probably an hour, I would say, because it's going to take me a while to assemble it, but anyway, you want to pull it out before you cook it, because you want your meat to come down to room temperature. Because if you put it in on the grill or wherever and it's cold, it's going to seize up and it's going to be tough. I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to need. Whatever I don't use on the skewers, I definitely will freeze and use for future purposes. Right now I'm just cutting it this way. And you want that, you want some of that So I'm doing about like, say about 1 inch. Say about that. You know, good bite-sized pieces. I'll come down here. And we'll also have plenty for leftovers during the week, which I like because I love those make-ahead meals. Especially with the prices of meat today. So let's get the rest of this cut up. Hey guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and judge with our hearts, because that's how we do. You want to balance everything out. You don't want to be a heavy hand on everything because you want it to taste good. So that was time. That's some fresh or organic dried rosemary. This is the onion powder. Garlic powder. Paprika. Just a little bit of pepper. Pinch of basil. Some of JD's seasoning. This has salt in it, and everything else, the stuff that I'm using has salt in it as well. And when I bought this, he said it goes great with beef out of all. So he's right. He's the creator of it, right? A little Worcestershire. A little Worcestershire. Little Johnny's. Just a little, not a lot. Don't want to overpower everything. Just a drop of the liquid smoke. This is just because I'm not doing it on a grill. It's gonna be 80 some degrees out today. We can't have charcoal grills where we're at, is what I'm trying to say. And a smidgen of pure olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a mixy. She is going to marinate in the refrigerator in this same container until probably about 3 o'clock, and it is only 9:15 a.m. So how many hours is that? Quite a few. I don't know, I can't think offhand. I just got up, y'all. Yes, I did. I just didn't get up. We've been up for a minute, but I want to get this rocking and a rolling. Get her all incorporated. What do you think? She looks good, don't she? All right. We're gonna go ahead and saran wrap her. Can y'all see? All right. She is completely saran wrapped, and we'll be back. All right, you guys, so the beef has been marinating for I think close to 5 hours. So anyways, there it is. I've got some of the onions and peppers put out onto the plate. I just dump some if I need more. I have my little container right there. I have my skewers. I have a lined baking sheet. I'm going to be doing this in the oven, preheated oven at 375 degrees. If you're doing this on your grill, you will want to soak these skewers for 30 minutes to an hour before you load them up with your protein and vegetables of choice. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start off with onion and pepper. You can make these however you like. Then I'm gonna come in here and grab a piece of that meat. I don't know how I'm gonna show you like this. Okay. And then you just repeat the process. You can also put mushrooms and stuff like that on here. I just, you know, I'm just gonna do it simple and easy way today. So, and so forth. And we just keep doing it till we fill up the skewer. And these are made many different ways. I've made them, I've put tomato on them. I've made them with chicken before. So anyways, this is how it's done. All right, and you just keep working your way up. Right, guys, so I got it done. These are going to be delicious. Everybody's going to have the flavor. All right, 375 oven. Just until your meat, you can do your meat to medium rare if you like. It's up to your preference and liking. We do like it cooked a little more and our veggies cooked to their softness. Anyways, I eyeball it. I don't have a time measuring for it. I would say after 30 minutes, give it a look. See what you think. If you think you need less, check on it in about 15 minutes. But I'm thinking at least a good 30. That's what I just eyeball it, you guys. Just make sure it's done to your likeness. All right, we'll be back with the final presentation. Here you guys have it. She's all done. I made a little dipping sauce to go with it. You can do what you like. Got a bit of chicken and garlic rice in the back. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, you guys. Until next video, take care, stay blessed, stay safe, and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.